3. What is government? One of the more abused words in all languages today is government. When most people say government, they mean the federal government or the state, county or city governments, or all of them combined. Such use of the word is a major departure from biblical, Puritan, and early American usage. The Bible speaks of governments as the attribute of God and of Christ. Isaiah 9:6 declares of the Messiah, "The government shall be upon his shoulder." On the human level, all government is by delegation from God, and there are 7 basic levels of government. The first area, and the most basic, is self-government, the self-governance of godly men. Without this, we have only lawlessness. One of our most serious problems today is lack of self-government. The second area is the family. In the Bible, the family is set forth as the most important single institution or agency on earth. The family is man's first and most basic government, school and church, from childhood on. If family government is weak, the country is weak. A third area is the church. Too often today, the church either does not govern or governs weakly because people are in rebellion against all good government. A fourth area is the school. For better or worse, schools are a very important form of government. Their influence as a form of government marks us all for life. Bad government in schools can, and usually does, mean bad government after schooling and for life. A fifth area is our vocation, our work. You and I are governed by the work we do. It sets a pattern for our time use, our training, our income, and our daily lives. Our employers govern us, and the kind of work we do governs us. Our work is thus a very major form of government. The sixth form is our community or society. What people think, do, and expect governs all of us. We feel social pressures which govern us. Finally, a seventh form of government is civil government. There was a time when no one spoke of government as anything but civil government, one form of government among many. Today, civil government tries to control all other areas of government by usurping the powers of self-government, family, church, school, work, and society. This is the meaning of totalitarianism, the control of all other forms of government by civil government. It spells certain disaster for any country. What is government? It is certainly not the federal government. Overall, it is the government of Almighty God and subject to God-ordained spheres of life and agencies. It begins with our own self-government. If we deny the government of Almighty God, and if we fail in self-government, then we invite slavery and totalitarianism. You will get the kind of government you exercise.